Hey guys, I'll show you how you can add your website to Bing Webmaster Tools. Just in a few minutes you can get this done. So to do that, you can go and search for Bing Webmaster Tools and click on the first link. You can click on Get Started. I'm going to go with Google account and select your account and click Continue. Once you've signed in, you'll see this page. You have two options. If you're already connected to Search Console, you can import from there, but if not, you can add it manually here. So I'm going to go with the manual option here. You need to type in your URL of the site. I'm going to type in mine and click Add. And in this page, you have three options on how you can verify your site. So you just need to pick one of the method to add and click on this to download. And here is your file. Now you need to log into your website's file manager through your cPanel. So I'm going to do that. Mine's a Namecheap, so I'm going to do that. Now on your cPanel, you need to go and visit your file manager and then navigate to where your website's folder is. Mine's over here. So once you're inside your website's folder, you click on Upload. And here is the file that we downloaded. So I'm going to put that here, drag and drop it here. Then click back. Now if you refresh, you will see the file that we just uploaded here. Now here is the file that we uploaded. Now if you go back here and click on verify, it should verify right away. So now we have a verification done for our domain. Now it'll take a few hours for it to be completely updated because you won't see anything right now in this. If you need help with adding Google Search Console as well for your website, I have a video for that. I'll leave the link in the description. I hope this helped, guys. Thank you for watching.